Hello and welcome back to our second how-to video created for Totallymoving.com. In this short video I'll show you how to use the report analysis tool. This tool has been created to help you find information about specific properties. So for instance, if you have a property address, you can input it. If you've got the property details, you could have input that into the previous section. You can search by postcode or property address, as I say. So in this case we'll use the address, and I'll paste the address in here. And once the information is pasted into the property address box here, click generate analysis. As you can see, the system has created a report with an overall summary. 18 Woodmill Lane is situated in a highly sought after Bitton Park area of Southampton. It talks about the location, gives you some commentary, tells you where it's near, gives you sale prices, etc. As you scroll down, it gives you a virtual surveyor's perspective, tells you what a surveyor might look for on such a property. Obviously surveyors will look at the whole building, and you should always obtain a survey report before buying property, as I've said before. Same with legal. This is a general guide but provides some useful starting points for you to consider as a property buyer. Carrying on down, as we can see, it's highlighted some potential issues, gives you some ideas about things you could do to add value, previous sale prices, crime rate in the area, and tells you a little bit about local schools. So as you can see, it provides quite a detailed analysis which you can actually export and save to your system by simply clicking on that button. So I hope that helps explain the property reports function and how you can find some useful information about specific properties.